Basically, I don't have a Halloween party, so I bought a shopping cart full of supplies, a second fog machine, created a custom microphone system, a stage, and made elephant toothpaste inside pumpkins and a haunted field. But why am I doing any of this? Well, a little bit ago, my grandma came out to celebrate Halloween with us. However, I didn't get everything that I wanted done, so today I'm going to be fixing that. The goal of the game is to find eggs. The more eggs that you find, the more chocolate that you get. But now it was time to get some pumpkins. Okay, so the party is officially starting. My editor is here. I don't want to show his face, but editor. And my marketing is about to be here. But my editor can't come to the Halloween party. So he's just here a little bit before. My editor can't come to the Halloween party. Hi, Julian! Hi, everybody! Okay, everybody, I'm just gonna discuss the party. Make sure the camera's focused on me. So this is what we're gonna be doing. So in a little bit, we're gonna have elephant toothpaste inside the pumpkin. Wait, really? Yeah, then we're gonna have pizza. After that, the haunted field will be opening. And we're gonna have a lot of fun with that. And then we're gonna have a costume contest. Whoever wins gets like a bag of candy. Okay, so that's really it. We're gonna have elephant toothpaste, pizza party, haunted field, and then costume contest, and we're gonna roast marshmallows. And that's it, so. Happening. Yeah. Oh, this is great. Okay. Okay, it's foaming up. It is. A little bit later. Okay, we have a lot of pizza. So like $160-ish later, we have pizza. So we have this thing that moves, and I'm not gonna tell anybody, but I'm gonna put Snickers right by the sensor, so when they try and get it, they get jump scared. Okay, here we go. The job is done. Okay, ghost in the graveyard. So if you don't know what Ghost in the Graveyard is, it's basically like hide and seek. Just when you find them, you hide with them. And you don't tell anybody else. So eventually there's just one person alone and they're trying to find everybody else. So it may get fun.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Help me! That's what they got!
Where is it? Oh my God! I see motion over here! You guys! So Julian was actually hiding inside the tree, but people just thought it was the wind.
You guys see motion!
Distracting me. Hey, no! Just an animal.
Is Julian die?
No, I don't know, but come on. Let's go. Okay, with Delilah. Come on. Wait, I think I see somebody.
Run! Run! Run!
We basically just had a costume contest, and he won this giant thing. This is my hand, and that's the chocolate bar. Let me just get this to scale. I won it. Okay, so a little update. I was like, oh, there's candy over there. And somebody was literally too scared to take it. So yes, candy to
Ready, go!
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Banana?
Are you just annoyed, guys?
No,
This is really good, guys.
I can't get out.
Knock, knock.
filming. Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Banana?
Knock, knock.